How to write thanks, really fancy. Right, we're going to do this. It's like an S on its side. And then we start here at the point, and then we go not quite the same distance, and then we go back there. And then here we can bring this around in a curl like that. Now we're going to do something very similar down here. So it's like an S, okay? And then we want to do something kind of the same, coming down like that. And we'll put a little blob there. So these want to be the same thickness. That's the really difficult bit, okay? And now for the H, we're going to come like that. So that needs to be, it's like a little box really, isn't it? That's leaning over. And then we're going to draw this part. Now don't go all the way down. Come around a little bit like that. And again, we want to get that thickness the same distance like that. And then that will curve around there. Come a little distance here, and then we want to have our A. And that will have the same thickness to it like that. And again, that will come up. This wants to come down to join it. This wants to be like the top of the H. And then this bit wants to be like the bottom of the H there. T-H-A. And then we want like a little version of that. Like that, coming up there. And then we want like that bit again. So that's coming up, stop a little bit there, and we'll come around underneath it like that. And then here comes one of the more difficult letters. So we want to do another one like that, and we want to try and keep the same angle. That's quite difficult too. It's not easy to do. There's lots of things to remember. Okay, so we've got, so that's the top bit of the K, and then here we're going to come up and around like that. So it's like a little balloon, and then we'll draw that bit in there. So it's kind of like a strange R it's going to be, and then that will come like that, and that will go like that, and then comes the really difficult bit with the S. Okay, so you want to come up, and it wants to be a bit higher there, and then a little loop around like that, and then that's going to come around with a funny little loop there, so that we can then bring that down there like that. Did you keep up with that? I'm exhausted. You can colour that in any way you like. Use it for thank you cards or Thanksgiving, whatever you like. And thank you for watching and subscribing to Draw Stuff Real Easy. Bye.